Hi, welcome to Road 200 Con Questions. Given that x is greater than 0, what is the value of expression? Now, since all the options are constant terms, even if you put some value for x and get the answer, you should be fine. For example, if I put x equal to 1, what do I get? I get 1 minus 2 minus 15 upon 1 plus 3. This becomes minus 16 upon 4 minus 4. Similarly, if I go right hand side, if I take 1, it becomes 2 plus 13 plus 20 upon 1 plus 4. So if you look at it, this is 35 upon 7, okay, which is 5. So 37 upon 5, which is 7, sorry. So minus 4 plus 7 becomes 3. So you can make out the answer is 3. So if it satisfies with one value, it should be the same answer because no option call cannot be determined on none of these. Or you can obviously solve this. If you factorize the terms, it becomes x minus 5x plus 3. Denominator becomes x into x plus 3. So x plus 3 gets cancelled. Right hand side becomes, if you look at 22 is a 40, and if you break up 13 as 40, right, what do you get is 8 5 is 40. So you can break it up as 2x square plus 8x plus 5x plus 20. If you take it up, it becomes 2x plus 5, okay, and x plus 4 upon x into x plus 4. X plus 4 gets cancelled. So basically what is left is x minus 5 upon x plus 2x plus 5 upon x. If you add it up, it becomes x minus 5 plus 2x plus 5 upon x. Minus 5 plus 5 gets cancelled, 3x upon x, which is 3. So you can solve it, or you can put substitute values and get the answer. Either way you should get it. Okay. A, B, C are integers and A is more than B. Which of the following is not always true? Now, in inequality, if you add or subtract same value on both the side, the value will not change. So you are adding same value on both the side. Here also you are adding same value on both the sides. So these will satisfy always. But moment you multiply, the sign will change if it's negative. So if C is negative, then this will not satisfy. Even if A is more than B, A into 2C will be less than B into 2C if C is negative. So this will not satisfy. So B is the one which is not always true. 11 numbers are such that first 6 numbers and last 6 numbers are in AP. First 6 numbers are such that a common difference is equal to first number. Last 6 numbers such that common difference is equal to negative of half of first number. So let me take first number as 2a. So the common difference becomes 2a is increasing because the next one is negative of half. So 2a increasing becomes 4a, 6a, 8a, 10a, 12a. And then it reduces by minus of half of first number, so which is 11a. So now it becomes minus a is a common difference. 10a, 9a, 8a and 7a. So addition of first 6 numbers is nothing but average, which is 7a, into number of numbers 6, 42a. Average total of last 5 numbers, or average, which is 9a, into number of numbers 45. So total becomes 87a, which becomes 174. So a will be 2. If a is 2, the middle term is 12a, will become 24. The option. So take the AP first half and second half and then add it and then equate it to 174. You will get the answer. Diagonals of a rhombus ABCD intersect the origin O. So origin is O, and let's say AO is 12 and 18. So in one place it will intersect at 12, so it becomes minus 12, 18 minus 18. That's how it should intersect. So that means when you draw a line, okay, it should be x and y value should be 12 and 18, either positive or negative. One will be 12, one will be 18, whichever way. Let's get first here. If I put x is 0, you will get y equal to 9. Not possible. It should be either 12 or 18. Here if I put x is 0 in the second case, I will get y is equal to minus 12 possible. If I put y equal to 0, I'll get x equal to 18. Yes, both satisfies. So answer is 2. Here x and y are 18. Here again it's 9, and so no, it will not satisfy. The only thing satisfies B, because in one of the axes it should intersect at 12 and second 18. All the lines, if you look at it, one side it's 12 and the other side is 18. So either X is 12, Y is 18, or vice versa. We don't know that because they're not given which side is what. So see which option gives you 12 and 18. Only option that gives you 12 and 18 is B option. So that will be the answer. Smallest integer more than equal to X. So this is 1.4. Integer more than 1.4 will be 2. 2. Equal. So 2. This is also possible. So all number less than 4 up from 2 to 4 will be 2 to 2. The moment you go to root 5, it will become 3 because root 5 is 2 point something. Integer more than that will be 3. So from 5 to 9, the values are 3, 3, 3. And then moment you go to 10, it becomes 3 point something, so it becomes 4. Add all this. This is 6, 15 and 4. You'll get total as 25. That's the answer. Thank you.